Okay, I just realized I haven't recorded anything, but one of the updates is that I updated uh the website, and so now I have the website on here, and I put everything inside of here. So when people go to the thing, they're gonna see the docs, and then it's set up exactly like how he has it. I my git ignore just is ignoring the site, so people will be able to see everything else. And I'm going to host it there because, like I said, it's just too difficult to try to have two sections. Like one is a website and one is this. And then over here, I'm realizing that I was running into these errors because the account state is being sent over as uh, the account state is being sent over as the order result, and that's because here I sent account state first and order second when I actually switched up the order to be order and then account state. And so that's making me realize that I need to, every time I'm calling a function, I need to, because I changed up some of the orders of these things. I remember that. And so whenever I'm calling a function, I need to actually specify if it is am I calling any functions? I'm just looking for yellow right now. Nope, there's no function called there. There's a function called here, but I'm stating account equals state, order equals state. So that's good. Then here I need to do account state equals account state and then order equals order. And I need to do that for all of these. Oh, wait a minute. So we'll say account state equals, and I'll say order equals, and then order equals order, right? And then here we have our equal signs for things, and then here we have our equal signs. Okay. We have our helper functions. We're not calling any other functions inside of this. So that's good. And then for our by functions, are we calling any other functions inside of this? Order not filled. So we'll do status equals. We'll do status. Let's see here. Status info equals. And then here we'll do order equals. Okay. And then here we'll do the same thing. Let's see, status equals. We'll do status info equals. This would be order. Order equals. Whoops. And then coming down here, there's nothing. And then now we have to go over to the cell and do the same thing. So status equals. Well, I guess we could just do this. Wait, what? 4. Oh, okay. So we'll do this. Stats equals this. Then we'll do this. Ah, shit. That's not going to cover all of them. Status info equals. Then, where's the other one at? Order not filled. Status. Status Good lord, a lord. Okay. Oh, I know what I could do. Let's do this. Find this. Oh shit, I can't do that. Status. I guess here we have to do order equals. Order equals. Order equals. This we have to do status info. Status info. This. These. All right, so so all of this should be fine now. So if we actually go through and stop this. Reload the thing. This should now work. So that's good to know that whenever I'm doing anything, I should always put equals, just in case I switch up the order of anything or do any of that other stuff. So now we're going to come over here. I think that should be it. Okay. Anyways, so we have this website. All I have is this. Wait, what? I thought I changed the navigation to be like this. I guess I have to build it again. So we have to do mkdocs build. We have to do this. And then this should eventually just be like when I click here, it'll send me over to this. And then from here, okay, we added the source. So that way, what I realized is that instead of having this default value stuff here that always has to be updated, I could just say, until I can figure out how to get it to just automatically show the default value, I'll just say, please check source for default values if needed. And so here we'll see these default values like that. Other than that, I think this is good to go enough now to where the next step that I need to do is actually come over here and start running the simulate NB from vector BT to see exactly how he deals with multiple like broadcasting everything. You know, if I have two stop losses, how does he deal with that? And starting to do something like that. But first I need to just build. I need to take this simulate right here, and then uh, put it inside of execute functions here, and that'll be my simulate. And then I need to run it through a RSI, and then that way I can create the RSI thing, and then that way I can start to make my YouTube videos like the like 5,000% ones and start promoting it there. At least start promoting this here and start to try to build up the community. And then while those videos are doing what they're gonna do, in the back, that's when I spend the time trying to do the stop loss stuff. So the first thing is moving this simulate, so that way all somebody has to do is just do this right here. And why do I need order count? Why do I need order count? I don't need that order count ID. Why do I need that? So, yeah, and then as long as it works with the RSI, then I can start promoting it. And then from there, yeah. I guess after that, it would be trying to figure out how to do multiple stop losses and multiple take profits after that. All right, so I just realized that maybe I think one of the problems that I was running into was I was doing this as close and then this was as open, and so there was like a difference because if you do RSI close, then you have this as true, 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 and true. So you have 4 trues. But here, if you have open, you have it like this, and that's what I was seeing. So I think I was doing it wrong. But now I need to shift 1. Yeah. So that way we enter at the open of the candle. Drop in a place. Wait, let's just see if. Okay. So. Or whoa. Place in a false. Place in a with false. Oh. Fill in a false. Yes. Fill in a. Boom. Bam. Okay. So that way our dates line up. Okay. So now let's just do this. Why is in trees? What? Long increase ISO live. Cash use greater than available ISO. What? Wait, what? What? ISO leverage. Else if cash used is greater than available balance. Oh. Max equity risk percent. Risk percent of account. I did 5. What? How is this possible? Anyways, I seem to be running into an issue here. Wonder if I ran all this. Yeah, well, I don't understand why from entering here, 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 and here, that should at least be $5 I'm risking. But then I take profit here and it's 532, so it should be like 10. And so here it's like, and I also went through it and 1, 2, 3, 4. This is let's just go up to 50 for now. Let's go into here and let's say that let's just do this as 50. This does not make any sense. How is this possible? So we'll start it at 30. We'll start it at 30. I think this should work. So, how does any of this make any sense? Ew. So my possible loss is $1. Possible loss is $1. Loss. My possible loss is $2. Possible loss is $3. Possible loss is $4. Why is my profit $2? What? So this doesn't need to be loss. This needs to be wait a minute. Where's loss? Loss equals $1. My profit is $2 based off of this. So it's all my profit is always staying $2. So then I have to do so my possible loss is continuously going up while my profit is constantly staying $2. And then why was I allowed to get to this point? What's my max? My realized P&L. Profit $2. What the hell just happened here? Max equity, where is that at? If possible loss is greater than or equal to wait a minute, what the fuck? My possible loss is $2. Possible loss is $3, $4. My possible loss is $5, and my is this. So we come here now. We are $5.99. What? What do you mean? If is possible loss greater than or equal to 0? Yes. Is possible loss greater than or equal to oh. What? If possible loss if what? Wait a minute, there's something wrong here. If possible loss is greater than or equal to 0, That's true. Is possible loss greater than or equal? So it's always going to be greater than or equal to 0. So this is true and this is false. So this is true. How do I do is between? That's the problem. I think it should be like this. If possible loss is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 5. If this is true, then we're at 6, so why does it not work? Why does this have to be greater than 0? If profitable loss is greater than, if possible loss is greater than 0, if possible loss is greater than, no. Why do I have this greater than 0? Why can't it just be, why can't it just be if possible loss is greater than account risk amount? If 599 is 599, oh, is $5 less than 5 than this? Oh, why is this 0 here? What is this? Who did this? Why did I do that? What does that even mean? What the fuck is that? What is that? Because possible loss only gets created here if there's a stop loss and a max. Oh. It has to be this. What the hell is this? What the hell? What is that? What the hell is that? So now we're at 6. What? Oh, we're not. Oh. 599 is the int is just $5. Okay. Okay. That might be. Well, we're talking about a $1 difference. Yeah, I need to. And then so here. I guess at the end of the day, like, who cares about a dollar? Now that makes me wonder about that whole greater than zero. Oh, I have to do that because of if you have a trailing stop loss. Okay, now I remember. Because if your possible loss is going to turn negative if you are above your entry. So it has to be greater than zero. Okay. Makes sense. All right, so let's try this again. It still doesn't make sense as to why my take profit is still, but I think it's because my take profit price. So let's see if we say that I want to do 3. Let's do that. All right, so 1, 2, 3. So my take profit is still. Why the fuck? So I have it set to possible loss is $2, $3. We're at $4, so it's not going to get filled. Then we fill the order. Okay. Okay. So down here is where we are running into problemos. So my take profit percent change is 4%. That's true. So how is it? Create take profits if requested. But this is creating take profits based off of. Oh, this doesn't make any sense. Because this should be my position size. What if I change this to what if I did that? What would happen here? What? Oh, sorry. Well, actually, what? Oh, we have to restart it. Okay, that did something weird. Anyways, oh my god, I just realized what the problem was. It's this. This is for if it's a short order, and these are not shorts. Oh my fucking god. I have to have completely different paths that this thing travels down because all of this is if you're in a short. All of this is if you're in a short. If you're in a long, it's completely different. This is a plus. Oh, how do I do this? This is a fucking nightmare. I'm gonna have to completely and totally rework this whole shit. I don't even know where it's at. Oh, it's here. Oh, how do I do this then? How do I go from here and say your order was not filled, but also send the proper. Oh, I hope it's easy. I hope it's easy. What? What is all this stuff? Move all those breakpoints. And that's all we want. What? 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 Order not filled. From what? Oh, it's this one. Whoops. Whoops, 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 whoops. I do not have take profit prices at all. So here I could send the stop loss price. And I could send the stop loss percent, stop loss price, trailing stop loss percent, trailing stop loss price. But to take profit price, oh yeah. I would have to send that over. I'd have to send. How do I send over? The order was not filled. Then that's going to send back an order result. And then here I would have to create the take profit again. Each and every single time. Here it's like, I want to send back the information, but oh my God. So messy. So I give up and I'm just gonna do this. This is the literal worst thing in the world that I could do. Literally the worst thing. Yeah, absolute worst thing. Okay, so we're gonna do this minus. So then when we get to here, it's switched. Come down here, the time, the multiplying and stuff doesn't really matter. This is average entry minus. Wait, what? Wait, what? Average order? What? Oh, this just looks weird, I guess. So it's order average entry minus order average entry times this. So it would be like, I don't know, 6 minus this. So that looks very, very weird. Like this. Okay, and then here, I have to switch these. Okay, and then here, okay, we have to switch these. This is fine, this is fine, this is fine, this is fine, this is probably not fine. So this needs to be this plus order dot size plus order dot size times fees times average entry divided by order size minus. So we have profit plus order size plus order size times this. Okay. This divided by this minus this times this. Okay. And this is this. And here, this needs to be a this plus. This. I need to find a solution to that. What? What's going on here? Where is this at? Oh. Oh. Where is this? This is fine. Why are none of these? Why are none of these getting hit? Okay. Why are we never taking profit? Oh, is it now possible that we're not taking profit because we didn't actually? Hmm? You have no money. Order dot. I give up. Okay, so I'm realizing instead of downloading 2 years worth of data, how about I just download on the 5 minute charts, a couple of days. Maybe that would so that way I can actually print this stuff out. Uh, I'm realizing that it would be very, very nice to have a printout of every time I go through the loop, there's like a candlestick chart. And every single time on that candlestick chart, every time we move towards another entry, Just not being able to visualize this is such an absolute mess. Because if I could just see where I was entering, where I entered, where I entered, where I entered, and then also there was like some type of horizontal line that showed me where my average entry was, and then I could have a green. I could have like a green square for the entry, green square for the entries. Then I could have a orange circle for the no, then I could have that horizontal line for the average entry. Then I could have like an X for the stop loss, and then I could have like a, I don't know, something for the take profit. And then it just every single time it would print that out because I don't know, it's just like this is just too hard to understand what the hell is going on here. Oh. Is this another situation? I swear to God I hit reset. I hit reset like 5 fucking times. So here, how we lost $1. Here, 1, 2, 3, we lost three. Here we gained two. Here we lost two. Here we gained six. Okay, so I guess it's working now. Here we gained four. Here we lost two. Here we gained six. That makes sense because we were risking three. Well, what the fuck happens here if we. Hmm. Jesus Christ. It's got wrecked. Well, at least this now makes sense. This makes sense. Oh boy. This is when I wish I was doing this shit with the Octobot. I think here when it says you're broke, you have no money. Well, here it stopped trading. Why did it stop trading? Why did it stop around here? Oh man. Oh, I need to figure out why it stopped. Did I run out of money? I feel like I had to have run out of money. Well, I mean, I got to here. That's 7,000. And we made $5, lost one. I need to know what my equity was. Yeah. This is where I need to equity. Fill up the. So here it's like. Whatever. Um. Oh shit. I lost $1. Why did it stop trading here? $124. I have $124. What? $3,000. 32,000? Why is this at why is it stopping here? 6976. Why is it stopping? Yeah. What is happening here? I'm actually making money. What the? Why are you stopping? 32, 112. What? 32, 112. 32, 112. What? What? Yeah. What the hell is going on here? What the hell is going on? 32, 112. We gotta get our way all the way up to 6,000. Index is nowhere close to. What? Cash used. How is my available balance $1? Oh. Wait, what? My new position is. Wait, what? How? Wait, what? Cash borrowed $109. Oh, that's fine. Cash used. Wait, my available balance. My equity? My position? Wait, what? Wait, what? Where is my available balance at? Why is my available balance this low when it's just $100? What? Why is my available balance? What? Okay, I lost some money. I lost money. I gained. I lost. Wait, why is my new available balance not the same as my equity? So my cash used is 0. My cash borrowed is 0. What? This should be. I mean, if we're closing out, if I'm closing out of the position, then this should just be the same exact thing as my equity. So my cash borrowed comes back to 0. My cash used. New available balance should be this plus. What? What the hell? Okay, that makes sense. And then we go one more. 96. This is 92. Cash used minus. How do we even get available balance? Just minus cash used. So then here it should just be P&L plus available cash balance plus cash used. Available balance plus cash used should instantly give me my equity. What is that? this $1 100. Okay. This should give me 99, but it gives me 95. Because all my available balance is minus cash used. New available balance. Cash borrowed. Cash used. Cash used is this. Available balance is new available balance. Oh. I think it's because cash used needs to be new cash used needs to be cash used plus equals new cash used. Because new available balance is available balance minus cash used. And then cash used. So cash borrowed. Cash borrowed is size minus cash used. So cash used is for that trade. So cash. So I need a. Do I need a total cash borrowed and a total cash used? Because if I'm getting into like 3 trades, then my cash used is not going to be $1. My cash used is going to be new. Let's try this. Uh, where's cash used? Goes here. Cash borrowed. Is that the same thing as like plus equals? Because am I borrowing like Put that on let's do check calculation. Okay, so let's reset. Reset again and reset again. New available balance is NAND. I guess we have to have the wait, what? How is that possible? Oh, well, that's true. I guess when dealing with these, I should just always leave it at 0, I guess. Hey, we made it all the way to the end. Holy, this thing needs to be cleaned up so much. I lost $98? What? Wait, my equity came all the way down to $1? Wait, my size cannot be Lower than $1. Order size is less than $1. How did that ever happen? How did that happen? Oh, because we're not even checking here. We have to check over here. Wait, I think we have to check all the way at the end of here because then we're changing the position size. So I need to have all these order size checks here. Oh shit, I take that back. I need to have all of these. I need to have this check, and this check. Again, all the way at the bottom. Try this again. Whoops. Restart, restart. How do I not get any errors? What? Doesn't -5 mean all the way over here? Yeah, my realized P now is 10 cents. Oh, this is the coin size here. The coin size gets super small. But I guess I should still probably have those. Right? Because this is the coin size, right? Yeah, it's the coin size. Uh, I don't know. How do I verify that this is correct? How do I verify that this is correcto? I almost lost my entire account. Holy shit. Oh, that needs to be a percent. Lost less this time. Plot asset flow. I don't know what to plot here. Orders? Uh, it starts to go downhill from there. Ooh. Oh god, this hurts. Whoops. I'm on the wrong thing this whole time. Ooh, ow, ow, ow. This hurts. This hurts so much. Loss. Oh my god. Jesus, I lost so much. Ouch, ouch, ouch. So here we broke even after our 229th trade. Terrible strategy. Yeah. But I mean, the numbers make sense to say that it's actually legit. Yeah. Because if I have $100, I would be expecting to lose two. I'd be expecting to lose close to two. I'd be expecting to make close to four if I got in twice here. I'd be expecting to lose one, two, three, four. I guess three. So I'd be expecting to lose about three. I'd be expecting to get about. So once we get down to the 50s, oh wow, we made some money here, I guess. So here we got in twice at 50. So if we get in twice at 50, that's risking $1. So then it's about, yeah, so that makes sense. So all of this makes sense. If we're around 50, it's 50 it's 50 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents. So that's $2. So we lost $2 here. So it all makes sense. Uh Jesus Christ. Business button. Hmm. So I guess this is done enough to where I could promote it. But, well, let's do this. Where's my highest? I think it's like 130. So 136, 139, somewhere around here. So 6,942. 6,942, 112. Do these have IDs? 1, 2. It says order ID 928. So that's probably these. So what where were we at? We were at 112. So 112 is somewhere around here. Oh eight, 107, 108. How do we get to 112? Okay, that's not what I wanted to do. What? Um, so 112 is February 22nd, 2021. February 22nd, 2021. February 22nd, 2021. February 23. So now let's do this. Let's download that data. Yeah, I have absolutely no idea how I'm going to clean up all this mess. We do def.plots. Uh, plot. Plot trades. No, but that's this. It's the same thing. Oh, entry, exit, exit loss, exit profit. We've got to change that. So plot trades, plot orders, plot. Let's see. Plot. Value? What the hell is this? Oh. Okay, so we can do plot value here. We do this. So I could say something like, and here we go, guys. Let's, this is all very easy. This is standard. You can literally just copy and paste all this stuff. Then here we getting our entries for our RSI. Then here we are setting our parameters, saying we want to risk 1% of our account. We want a maximum of 3% risk. We want a risk to reward of 2. We want our stop loss to be 2%. We want longs. And our leverage is least cash used. And then we give our account $100. And then we send it the open, high, low, close values that we downloaded from the data. And then we just simulate it. We're simulating it here. And here are the results. So all of that took less to simulate over a year's worth of data. It took 0.2 seconds. And here you can see what the results would have been. This is the value. So we started at $100 and then we've climbed up. So we had a 40% increase. And so yeah, if you guys want to learn how to use this, head down below. So I could do something like that. Something like that. I think that works. I'll be like, it's very easy to use. If you want to see your orders, you just do plot orders. If you want to see your value, you do plot values. I can do all that shit. Let's see here. My alarm not going off. Did my alarm go off? Oh man, it went off at 7:30. Okay. And then what I do is I'll show them the website. And I'll be like, but yeah, here's the tutorial breakdown. I'll come over here. I'll be like, here's the tutorial breakdown. It's very easy. You guys can literally just copy paste it, and yeah, I'll just have all this information there. Let me see if I can. Does this work if I have a number? Probably not. Probably not. Order QF. Can I get attribute order QF on vector.qf? Order QF. There is no order QF. What? Cannot get attribute order QF on module in the enums. Order QF. What the hell is this thing talking There is no order QF anywhere. What? Can't get attribute order QF on module enums from .py function short increase in B. Short increase in B. The only place that I have that is in here when everything is commented out. I don't need this old shit anyways. What the hell is this thing talking about? What? Short entry. If order type equals this, short increase in B. What? Cannot get attribute. Order on model. What? Module. During resolving quality type. Function short increase in BQF 625. What? Six two five. Oh. What? Order type, order result. This. Well, how is it looking for this? There's nothing. There's nothing order QF. There's nothing order QF anywhere. Not in enums, not anywhere. I literally, watch, I'll just go through this whole thing. Here. Because if I do order, we'll see that it's going to change. You'll see the number changes. But order QF, it doesn't exist anywhere. What is this thing talking about? What the hell is this thing talking about? Order QF. Cannot get attribute order. What is this? What the hell is this thing talking about? What is this thing talking about? Order QF. Cannot get attribute. Order QF. I don't want to just search this whole shit for order QF. In files. Class object. Files to include everything. Order. There is no order QF. How is that possible? How? How is this? How is this possible? Oh my god. That's what it says. To clear the cache directory can be simply removed. Where is it at? The cache data is saved under the cache directory. See. The index of the cache is stored in a NBI file. Holy shit, that's a lot of cache. We got this. deleted this, and deleted this, and deleted this. Let's see what happens. Maybe it's because I also did this. Because now cache is enabled. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. Now that I have cache, oh boy. Okay. So now I have cache for this. I got my cache for this now. I got my cache for this. Let's see. Delete all. I kind of want to just put all of this into one directory. In tree cache, put the cache next to the corresponding source file under this. User, I put the cache in the user's application directory using app directory user cache from the IPython cache. Put the cache in IPython specific app. Docs on cache clearing. Cache sharing and cache clearing. It's small Python module for determining appropriate platforms, directories, e.g. a user data directory. This kind of thing is what the app directory module is for. Will help you choose an appropriate user cache directory. Also, is a single module snap Python package. Some example outputs from user import app name equals user data directory, user cache directory, app name, app author, user app data local. Put the cache in the user's application directory using this. App directory is user cache directory. Super app Acme. Local Acme roaming. User data, user cache for convenience. cache. I need to figure out how to delete all the cache from everywhere. Uh, wow, wow, wow. Yeah, so we need to go into here and and store hash. Oh. All right. Anyways, that's it. I'm way behind on time.